it has arrived. The carb kit came. This is the only part I really need. I believe this is going to work just fine. If not, I'll use the other parts out of the carb kit. But that's what I needed right there. And I'm going to put this back together. I got about 2.5 hours to work on this today, if that. And I want to see if we can get this Caddy idling on its own. Okay, I lied. So I changed the gasket for this screw there, and also cleaned this lid and changed the plunger in there since it was there relatively easy, and the gasket for the lid. So basically anything I took off, I changed the gaskets, and that should be pretty good. I didn't change those little plungers out because I don't want to change out the screw and all that kind of stuff, and I just don't want to risk losing it. It all looks like it's in really good shape still, so if I have a problem with running, then perhaps I'll change those out. Alright, well, I got the carb on there, and that is not a wet spot from anything new. I put the hose back on there. I'm not seeing any leaks anywhere. I was a little bit concerned, do I not have enough gas in there? So I pulled it off and it got all over the place. So it's definitely getting gas. It's not leaking. Beforehand, it was just, you can watch it just pour down into the manifold. And it's not doing that now. So my plungers must be working. I'm not seeing wet spots anywhere. So the gaskets are sealing up well, other than the wet spot in the back, but that's from me pulling the hose. So I'm going to assume it's got gas in the bowls. And I guess let's try seeing if she'll start. Come on, let's start. Why is it not pumping? Or why is it not idling, I should say? What's going on here? Am I getting... This may be... Oh, that's not even tight on there. I guess I need to adjust that. Let me try that. Okay. Why is that also doing that? Why is that hitting there? Should this... No, it can't be like that. Huh. It doesn't seem like that should be touching each other, but I don't see what else I could... Ah, yes, okay, never mind. Maybe, maybe not. What am I seeing right there? Okay, I think... I'm not sure, actually. All right, let's just keep trying. See if that made an adjustment. Well, that killed it right away. Okay, so I think it was running. I think it was idling it or real close to it. I think I need to just tweak it a little bit more. Sounded good though. So I'll let it charge for a while. Okay, so I swapped out the battery because I've actually got two of them here. This one was charged up. And I also double checked my fuel, and apparently I didn't put enough in the tank before. And yeah, it was empty. So I added some gas to the tank and then got the battery going. Let's see what she'll do now. Never mind, I guess that doesn't have enough battery strength. Due to the fact that I have to let my battery charge and I don't want to buy a boost charger, I got this trickle charger on there. It's going to take me probably an hour before I can give it another whack, so I got to thinking, while I'm waiting, I am going to drop the gas tank because I think it's probably clogged up with some bad fuel. So watch me work. Alright, gas tank is out, and it looks pretty clean. So I think my clog is in the line. I tried to squirt some brake cleaner through there, and it got backed up, so I'm assuming there's a break in the line. it worms its way through the fender, and I'm a little bit concerned about that. That's why I didn't try to tackle that before I just went and put the little gas tank on here. Uh, so I'm hoping there's a couple cracks in the line where I can potentially either replace the line or get it cleaned out. And then if I can get this thing idling, I'll be able to hook it up to the tank and take her for a spin, see how the brakes work and all that good stuff, and mainly just get it out of my garage so I can start working on my business stuff here. But at any rate, let's try the battery again, see if we can't get this thing to idle.
Okay. Well, I'd say that was running off of gas. Just not enough. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. Well, it idled anyway. These damn batteries.